Welcome to this video on Jenkins in DevOps. In this video, we'll be discussing what Jenkins is and how to use it in DevOps. What is Jenkins? Jenkins is an open source automation tool that is used to automate the building, testing, and deployment of software applications. It was originally developed as a continuous integration tool but has since evolved into a robust automation platform used in DevOps practices. Jenkins is used in DevOps because it provides a powerful set of tools for automating the software development process. With Jenkins, you can automate the building, testing, and deployment of software applications, which helps to reduce the time and effort required to deliver high-quality software. Jenkins also provides a centralized platform for managing the entire DevOps process, which helps to improve collaboration and communication between development and operations teams. Before we dive into using Jenkins, we need to install it. Jenkins can be installed on any operating system, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. You can download the latest version of Jenkins from the official website and follow the installation instructions provided. Once Jenkins is installed, we need to configure it to work with our DevOps environment. Jenkins has a user-friendly web interface that allows you to configure various settings, such as creating new jobs, configuring build triggers, and setting up automated tests. Once Jenkins is installed, we need to configure it to work with our DevOps environment. Jenkins has a user-friendly web interface that allows you to configure various settings, such as creating new jobs, configuring build triggers, and setting up automated tests. Let's now look at how Jenkins can be used in DevOps. Jenkins can be used to automate various stages in DevOps pipeline, such as building, testing, and deployment. Building. Jenkins can be used to automate the building process of software applications. This involves compiling the code, packaging it, and creating a deployable artifact. Jenkins provides a powerful set of tools for building software applications, including support for various programming languages and build tools. Testing. Jenkins can also be used to automate the testing process of software applications. This involves running automated tests to ensure that the application is functioning as expected. Jenkins supports various testing frameworks such as JUnit, Selenium, and TestNG. Deployment. Jenkins can also be used to automate the deployment process of software applications. This involves deploying the application to various environments, such as staging and production. Jenkins provides support for various deployment tools such as Ansible, Chef, and Puppet. In conclusion, Jenkins is a powerful automation tool that can be used to automate the building, testing, and deployment of software applications in a DevOps environment. It provides a centralized platform for managing the entire DevOps process and helps to improve collaboration and communication between development and operation teams. If you're interested in learning more about Jenkins, be sure to check out the official documentation on the website. Thank you for watching.